Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 3 times z minus 5 plus 2 times z equals 25 minus 5 times z. Solving means isolating z on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The z terms are like terms, so add their coefficients. They combine to 5 times z. The right side has negative 5 times z. To collect the z terms on one side, add 5 times z to both sides. That gives 10 times z minus 5 equals 25. The minus 5 keeps 10 times z from standing alone. Add 5 to both sides to remove it. That gives 10 times z equals 30. Ten is multiplying z. To leave z alone, divide both sides by 10. Quick check, substitute 3 for z. Both sides equal 10, so the equation balances. So, z equals 3.